Okay, let's do the next picture. Next exercise, children. I'm just confused by seeing a very beautiful picture. Here, the very beautiful picture was given. Just find it out the heading, then we can write the missing letter. Okay, let's see the spelling. Let's see the first heading. Okay, complete the spelling of the word. Okay, we want to complete the spelling of the word. Okay. The first step is we want to find it out the each picture. Okay, we want to find it out the each picture and we want to fill it up with this dash. Okay, fill it up with this dashes. Okay, we already done this exercise, isn't it, children? We have already done this exercise, but with the different spelling, missing spelling letter. Okay, we already done it using this OA. We just write it the OA, but here the different letters was missing. We can find it out. We can easily find it out by pronouncing, by saying the loudly the name of the picture. Okay, just tell me the name of the picture. Toast. Very good. Toast. Okay, if you are getting, what is the spelling you are getting at the end of the two letter? You can do it. We can do it without my help because we have so far we have seen a lot of exercise. From that exercise you can learn very lot. Okay, you can do it without my help. Yes, tell me. Toast. Let's add up one letter. Toast. Toast. What sound you are getting? Yes. Yes sound. Toast. Very good. You are getting a toast. Okay, now tell me. Toast. Yes, you are getting a T sound. Toast. Toast. Okay, let's move to this picture. What is this? Tell me. Some of them are spelling very correctly and some of them very quickly answered. Very good. Nice. This is a plant. Plant. Okay. For plant, they are given a first three letter. P, L, A. The first three letter word was given. You are going to find out the last two letter word. What the last two letter word you will get it. If you not get the correct answer, you can just tell me the name of the picture loudly. Plant. 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 Just tell me first letter. Plan. Plan. Yes, you are getting an N sound. Okay, while I am writing the L, they will have a two type of sound, isn't it? I have told you already, but one more time I am just remembering. If the N comes at the first of the word, the N sounds like na. Okay, if the N comes in between and then the N sounds like in. Okay, plan, plant, t. What is the sound you are getting? T. Very good. Getting a T sound. Plant. Plant. Very good. Okay, let's look at this picture. What is this? This is a... Yes, what is this? This is not a dog. Dog means they given a D. What is this? This is a wolf. Wolf. Okay, for a wolf, the first two letter word was given. W and O was given. The two dash was here. Wolf. 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 What is the first letter? Just read the first letter. Ul. L sound, isn't it? L. You're getting a L sound. Wolf. Wolf. Yes, you're getting a F sound. Very nice, children. You have done a good job. Wolf. Wolf. Okay, let's move to this picture. What is this picture? You not find it out. Okay, I'll tell you what is this. This is a stamp. Stamp. Okay, I don't know whether you just saw the stamp or not anywhere, but once upon a time the stamp will be very famous for everybody, because on that day there is a no phones, no laptops, no mail IDs, isn't it? So they will communicate using the letters. Okay, they will communicate using the letters. If you want to mail the letter, we want to paste a stamp on the letter. Okay, if you want a further detail, you can ask your mother detailedly. She will tell you very detailed. Okay, there is, when at the time there is a no mobiles, no computer, then the communication happens using the letters. Okay, to post the letters we will use a stamp. Okay, this is a small story of stamp. Okay children. Okay, now tell me the spelling for stamp. 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 Yes, you're getting an M sound. M. Next, stamp. P is P. Stamp. Stamp. Okay. Okay, let's see the next picture. Okay, next, see the next picture. This is swing. You all love swinging in a swing, isn't it? You all love to swing. Okay, I too love to swing. Now the park was open and everything was open. Now we are all enjoying with a swing. Yes. Okay, you can swing it very happily by singing our song, isn't it? By singing a song, you can enjoy your swinging. Okay, now we are going to find out the spelling for swing. The first three-letter word was given S-W-I. The first three-letter word was given. We want to find out the last two-letter word. Listen children, you can find out this last two-letter word very easily, because what is the spelling for ing? Ing. I've told you already. What is the spelling for ing? I-N-G. Ing. Ing. Okay. Already the I was written. Then leftover word is N and G. N and G. Swing. Swing. Okay. Okay. Let's move to this picture. What is this? You can find it out easily. Yeah, some of them are spelling very correctly. Okay. If you don't know, shall I give a clue? Okay, using this you can you can done the very first activity at the morning. What is this? By using this we can clean our teeth. Yeah, this is a brush. For the brush, the first three-letter word was given. B-R-U. Bro. Shh. Shh. Yes. Brush, brush, brush. Okay, the SH have a separate sound. Sh, sh. SH means having a separate sound. Sh. Okay, children. Okay, let's move to this picture. This is bench, bench, bench. Okay, the first three-letter word was given. B-E-N. Ben, ben. Next, ch, ch. Sh means SH. We will put a SH. Ch. Ch means CH. Bench. Bench. Okay. Next, see this one. This is gold. Okay. This is a golden color. This is a gold coin. So they have written a gold. First G-O. The first letter, two-letter word was given. G-O. We want to find it out the last two-letter word. Okay, just tell me the first letter. Goal. Goal. Yes, L sound. You're getting a L sound. Goal. D. D. Yes, you want to add a D. Gold. Very good. D. Okay. Let's look at the next picture. What he is doing? He is pinching, isn't it? Pinch. Pinch. P-I-N. For a pinch, they given a first three-letter word P-I-N. You want to write pinch, ch, like a bench, having a same sound. Bench, pinch. Very good. Here also the ch wants to come. Ch, pinch. Okay, let's see the next picture. What is this? This is what? Yes, this is the mask. Mask. Yes, you are getting a yes sound as well as a k sound. Mask. Okay, children, let's one more time. I'm going to revise it. Please listen it carefully. Toast. 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 Ulf. wolf. Ulf. Swing. 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 Bench. 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 This is pinch. 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 This is plant. 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 This is stamp. 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 This is brush. 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 This is a gold. 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 This is mask. 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 Okay, children, did you understand this exercise? Let's go to the next exercise.